Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring palm oil and any companion oils to the recipe, aiming for palm to contribute hardness. Put on gloves and goggles. Safety is not optional. Make the lye solution in a well-ventilated area and allow it to cool. Once both oil and lye are within the 40-45 degrees range, you proceed to pour the lye slowly into the melted oils while stirring steadily to begin the saponification reaction. Once your lye is folded into the oils, you alternate stirring and short bursts with a stick blender to keep control. Palm oil thickens faster, so watch for a thin to medium trace, ribbons that hold briefly on the surface. Make sure you stop blending occasionally to avoid overheating. When trace is reached, add your fragrance, colorants, or botanicals. Mix them in gently so the batch remains homogeneous. If things feel sluggish, a few low-speed pulses finish you pour the traced batter into your mold. Tamp lightly to expel air pockets, and insulate it for the first 24-48 hours to encourage a consistent gel phase. After that, unmold and cut into bars, then cure them for 4-6 weeks so the palm's hardness develops and excess water evaporates. If a bar stays soft or pasty, rebatch it or consider adding a controlled amount of sodium lactate in future batches to increase firmness. Make sure to test a small sample first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.